Hello friends, welcome back to SAP World. Here I have developed a course for S4 HANA Simple Logistics Business Partner Concepts. Why we are specifically talking about business partner concepts? There is one technical concept which is actually introduced in S4 HANA. Probably those people who are working in S4 HANA and were quickly introduced from 1511 and 1610, 1709. Okay, 1909 and 2000 also. Okay, whoever got introduced all these versions, they will get to know what are all the real changes actually occurred for business partner master data. So in this course, I have very crisp and clear detailedly explained about the business partner scenarios. What is CVA introduction? So this course is available in Udemy. So here additionally I have added enterprise structure. You can go through it. This is additional concept. So this is BPCVA introduction. Okay. Here synopsis specifically talks about what are the slides we are going to discuss. This is very crisp, and at few slides you might have a little confusion. Don't worry about that. Once you get into the practical session, you can fully understand. So this total course is designed for 6 hours, 30 minutes exclusively on business partner. Okay. You have a configuration part. If you see here, first 20 minutes part one and second one is another 14 minutes. And you can find configuration another 38 minutes. And if you go to the last part, another 48 minutes. Okay. What is so BP with a different number range? This is one kind of scenario, like a BPS customer and vendor. So whereas if you go to the ECC, means your traditional SAP platform, you can able to get customers and vendors as separate master data, like XK01, XD01 at a centralized level. And what are all the transactions basically which is got absolute, and why this BP got newly introduced by SAP. We'll get to know everything. And BP with different number ranges, and BP customer and vendor with the same number range. Like, you're going to get around 11 lectures exclusively for your master data. This is one of the key change which is got introduced in S4 HANA. So everyone must aware of all these changes before getting into the SAP project minimum. There is nothing to spend, hmm, lakhs or thousands of rupees if you are in real time and you are going to get introduced for that. Okay, so there are very less changes. I have done a couple of courses. This is one of the key course. If you understand this, you can get into, you can try to understand through blogs and other things, uh, what is available at your Google or any search engine source level, you can get it. But this 6.5 hours is very important to understand how the BP works. So you can understand this master data very clearly. Okay. So I will provide the link below on this session so that you can guys can understand, try to utilize this is an opportunity. I'm having around total 15 years of experience in SAP. Just try to understand all these concepts, around 11 lectures available. I'll provide the link and please subscribe and try to give maximum ratings. It will be boost for selling my course. And I'm just Udemy is the one of the platform which is giving a cheaper rate. You need not spend like 50K on the 1 lakh rupees or else thousands of dollars for SAP S4 HANA changes. You try to understand this, and after that new changes, if anything is available, I will update in YouTube. Okay, here you can see the preview is enabled, right? You can able to see this 1 hour course as free once you get into this link, and you try to listen this CV integration free of cost. Wherever the preview is available there, you can try to listen. If you understand, if you can able to go with me, you can subscribe this course and you can utilize this opportunity for SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics Business Partner Concepts Learning. Thanks you for joining. And if you have any chance, you try to check with other links with this. Okay, thank you. I wish you all the best.